Hey everyone, I'm Phil from Ruthless Vapor, and today we're gonna give you, the viewer, a never before seen access to our mixology department. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're here at the mixology department. I'm here with Mr. Justin here. How you doing today?
Doing well, man.
Good, good. So can you explain to us the process of what one bottle of e-liquid goes through?
It's actually a long process. It all starts out with receiving. Obviously, we order the raw materials that go into the project. So that goes from VG to PG to the different flavorings that go into each flavor.
And for those who don't know, can you explain what the mixology department does essentially?
So they take the orders, the work orders. So for example, if we need to cut a specific flavor today, they'll get that work order, they'll mix it, they'll combine all the ingredients for it, and then it's passed on to inside production where it's bottled. And then from there it goes to outside production. And
what makes our process different from others?
Well, the process of making e-liquid isn't necessarily that hard. The difference between us and others is our ISO 7 certified clean room. Everything in there is handled with extreme care. Make sure everything is labeled. We don't make any mistakes. We do our best not to make any mistakes.
You mentioned the ISO 7 clean room. That's where we're gonna go in right now to go take a deeper look. Let's go check it out. Right. All right, Justin, where are we right now?
We're in the gowning area of the clean room. Obviously, because this is a clean room, we have to gown up, and mostly just for the protection of the employees in here, because we do work with chemicals. We have to follow the full gowning protocol.
Cool. All right, so let's gown up.
All right.
All right, so we are fully gowned up now from head to toe. I feel like I'm in an episode of Breaking Bad. So Justin, lead the way. Let's get going.
All right, let's head into mixology.
Into mixology we go. Explain to us where we're at right now.
So obviously we just came from mixology and now we're in inside production. This is where the bottles are filled with the e-liquid. From here it goes to outside production where the bottle is labeled and sent out for finished product. Cool.
And can you explain to us what these guys are doing right here?
They're priming the machine. This is going to be the machine that's going to be filling the actual e-liquid into the bottles.
All right, so I see some conveyor belts going on over here. Can you explain to us where these conveyor belts lead to?
All right, so bottles are entered through that conveyor belt right there. They're then filled with the e-liquid, whatever is being made that day. It's then capped off by the pressure capper. It leads into the production room or the production section outside the clean room where it is labeled, and then it's sent to final packaging, ready to be shipped.
Cool. All right, well there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed mixing it up with Mixology. We hope you learned a lot. I know I did. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.